Of all the magic places in the world I've been